How to use JobNimbus. JobNimbus is a contractor-focused CRM and project management tool designed for roofing, solar, and home improvement business. It helps manage leads, create estimates, track jobs, and streamline communication. So in here, as you can see, this is the official website of JobNimbus. It is jobnimbus.com. So to be able to create an account, simply go ahead and enter your work email into the section. So go ahead and enter the email that you use for your job into the section. And then after that, click on the Start a Trial button. And that will take you into a new page where you need to enter a few personal details such as your name, your phone number, your state, your time zone, and then after that, you need to go ahead and describe your company information. Now, once you have been approved for an account on JobNimbus, you'd be able to receive an email on your Google Mail about the platform. So you can go ahead and proceed using the application once you receive an email on your email that you've used for the free trial application. Now, once you have created an account, you can go ahead and proceed managing leads. So add new leads manually or import from spreadsheets. Use boards to track leads through stages. Attach photos, contracts, and notes directly to each lead. Create estimates. Generate professional estimates with built-in templates. Send estimates to clients via email directly from JobNimbus. Track approvals and convert estimates into track jobs, so use drag and drop boards to move jobs through production stages, assign tasks to team members and set deadlines, sync with Google Calendar for scheduling, and communication tools. Built-in messaging keeps all client communication in one place. Share updates, invoices, and documents with customers, and mobile app allows field workers to upload job photos instantly. JobNimbus is a powerful CRM for contractors, combining lead management, job tracking, and client communication in one platform. It's ideal if you want to streamline operations and grow your business. And that is how you can use JobNimbus.